Hi everybody, today we're going to be making either trivets, which are about like this size, kind of small, or you can use this for a stepping stone, or one of the kits has 4 of these little square pieces and we can use those as coasters. So I'm just going to show you real quickly how they're done. It's pretty self-explanatory. These are called mosaics. We're calling them mosaics, but mosaics usually have grout. We're not going to use grout. So take your glue. There's a couple ways to do the glue. I like to do it just like this. I just pour it on and smush it all around. But not everybody likes to do it that way. You can just put a little bit on each section. So I'm just going to smush it around, and then the other thing I do is I always do a border on my mosaic pieces. We can call it a mosaic. We could also call it a assemblage, since it doesn't actually have grout. So I'm doing my border with these little circle tiles. And we'll just stick that all the way around. Now, if you were going to do this with grout, you would put all of the tiles down, let it dry, and then use the grout. But I'm not going to show you today on a tutorial how to do grout. So, whoops, that was upside down. Let's wipe it off and put it back. Okay. Oops, my coffee's done. Okay, so there's my border. Now, in the little bag we gave you, you have a little glue, and then you have some stained glass pieces. So I'm just gonna make this relatively quick. No really design involved here other than my border. And then I'm just gonna fill the whole thing up. Here's one that's already done. So that's basically how you do these trivet or a coaster. So one thing about this is it's not a good idea to just throw pieces all over. When you start, stay in the same area, because if you move to another area, like over here, then you have to find something to fit it and it gets tricky. So just work from the same area out. Okay, I'm not gonna finish this, but you get the idea. See ya.